Another way to prepare your eggs in the morning is, these are farm fresh eggs, but if you have spray butter, you can simply do it in the microwave. You could melt butter too, but the spray butter with a couple eggs microwaved on high for about a minute or two is really fast. You can put any toppings in you want, and for giving it a simple stir, you're going to just interrupt the cycle of heating a couple times while it's cooking. We'll put this in right now, as is. For 1 minute, we're going to interrupt at 30 seconds to add some salt and give it a stir. Okay, so we stopped it at 30 seconds, and you can see it's starting to solidify around the edges, but there's a lot of liquid in there still. So we're going to stir it up. Do another 30 seconds. Oh, I was going to add a little salt, which I could have done the first time. And now some shredded cheese. Could have done it the first time, but didn't think of it, so I'm adding it now. Another 30 seconds. It's already got half of our minute left, and then we'll stir it again. We'll have to repeat the process. It won't quite be done. Okay. It's more solid on the edges than it was before, so we're just stirring it up again. Heating it for another 30 seconds. Okay, now we're starting to see it puff up, and this time it's done. Everything is solid, but not too dry. If you do it every 30 seconds, you'll get it before they get too dry. And this is going to be cheesy, easy scrambled eggs in your microwave. All right, so these are cheesy and fluffy and completely cooked, but not overcooked. And it took literally 2 minutes, and it's all in the same dish that you're eating it in the microwave. These are great.